There are a few motorhomes that look very weird, and today, we're going to look at them. From a boat-themed motorhome that you can drive from the roof to an RV that is even smaller than a Mini Cooper, these are the weirdest-looking motorhomes ever built.
Motorhome luxury.
First on the list is an aircraft-themed motorhome with a very unique cab. This is the special Starstreak 2 that has a unique history of its own. So, during the 80s, Lieutenant Colonel Paul Jones, who had previously been with the U.S. Air Force, started looking for an RV for himself and his wife. However, as he searched, the market could not satisfy his needs. So, what then? The Colonel started building his own perfect RV. Since Jones had experience in aeronautics and also had several engineering degrees, he created a masterpiece that is, to date, considered one of the most amazing motorhomes out there. And he named them Starstreak 1 and 2. Built on the Cadillac Eldorado's body, the motorhome has a very unconventional design that looks like a big block on the wheels, but a very amazing one. The reason behind choosing the Eldorados was to ensure that the height of the motorhome remains moderate, and it is easy to park in regular garages. The motorhome runs on a 350 horsepower engine paired to a 4-speed auto transmission with the front-wheel drive feature. However, the interior is where this compact motorhome truly shines. In such a compact size, the motorhome interior offers amazing features including a spacious kitchen that has a dual sink, fridge, a 2-burner cooktop, a very functional walk-in shower, and a spacious lounge that can be converted into a 2-person bed whenever needed. The Starstreak 2 also had some cool features like gas and electric heating, air conditioning throughout the whole body, and even a built-in vacuum cleaner. Jones did really think a lot before starting the project. One of the most exciting sections of this RV is its cab area, which resembles an airplane cockpit, highlighting Jones's familiarity with the field. In there, you get very lifted-up seats, a neat and clean dashboard with multiple buttons, just as you can see in an airplane cockpit, and the panoramic view as well. Well, what could be weirder than an aircraft motorhome? What about a big box on wheels? Let's take a look. Winnebago Brave. Up next is the Winnebago Brave, which is completely opposite to the first one in terms of design and looks. This is a compact 18-foot-long motorhome that looks exactly like a box but on wheels. Built on the heavy-duty Dodge RM 300 motorhome chassis, the RV has to offer some exciting features on both the exterior and the interior. On the front, you get a large windshield that ensures enhanced visibility on the road. Apart from that, there are plenty of windows throughout the motorhome that, from the inside, look fantastic. In terms of storage as well, Winnebago has done a fantastic job. However, the main luxury lies on the inside. Once you step inside, the whole RV speaks of class, elegance, and antiquity. The living room includes a big, large, comfy sofa and a big dinette that can easily seat 4 people. The kitchen area is also a highlight of the vehicle with the 3-burner cooktop, the stainless steel sink, and that big residential refrigerator that was a huge add-on, if you look from 1973 perspective. The Winnebago also has a small yet fully functional wet bath that increases the usability of the bathroom. In the D18 variant of the RV, the size of the bathroom is comparatively larger than it is in the other variants, so that's a plus as well. As you come to the cab area, there is again ample space for you to be comfortable in. In the cab area, you get features like power steering, power brakes, and powered windshield washers to keep your vision clear. However, the next motorhome on our list is completely different from the Winnebago, especially when it comes to the design. Corvair Ultravan. This is the Corvair Ultravan that was first made in 1960 by an aircraft designer, David Peterson. The very first goes to the unique design of the motorhome that looks like a capsule with a very aerodynamic build that makes driving this on the road even smoother. Built on the Corvair Flat 6 engine, the whole body of the motorhome is made of aluminum and fiberglass, which makes the vehicle so durable and strong that it can be seen in perfect health even today. On the front, you get a very minimal yet interesting look with a big windshield, 2 big headlamps, and a few smaller lights. The same goes with the sides as well, where you can see multiple windows, a fuel tank, and the main entry door. The rear has a very panoramic design and has a dual exhaust as well. However, the interior of the Ultravan is what makes it a total sporty option for the customers. Inside this motorhome, David tried to install all the latest features that were available during the 60s, and it included a nice shower in the bathroom, a fantastic dinette area with soft sofas and a table, a compact kitchen with all the necessary equipment installed, and obviously the convertible bed area as well. It is said that around 373 pieces of this motorhome were made during the 60s and 70s, as David saw huge demand for the vehicle by the customers. However, according to current data, about 50 to 75 of these vans are still on the road, but they look fantastic. Coming up next, we have this special boat-themed motorhome that makes you feel you are on a boat, but on the road. And then there is the special steering feature that no other motorhome has, the Decoliner by Blastolene. Built on the 1973 GMC motorhome chassis, this is the Decoliner by Blastolene. It has a fully polished aluminum body that gives you that old classic vibe. The motorhome is 26 feet long and based on a houseboat theme that gives it a totally unique look that you have never seen before. One of the most interesting aspects of this motorhome is that you can drive it either from the main cab area as well as the roof. All you need to do is remove the steering from the main cab area and connect the steering rod to the main wheel control, and there you go. The roof of the motorhome is actually called the functional flying bridge, as it resembles a similar shape and design. Up there, up to 6 people can easily sit and enjoy the magnificent view while this beauty is on the road. However, things aren't any less interesting downstairs either. You get all the necessary motorhome features like a well-equipped kitchen area, and then there is the big couch that can easily seat up to 4 people. Although this motorhome doesn't include a bathroom, that can be managed since this is not meant for long trips and all. To enhance your trip in this weird yet interesting motorhome even further, there are multiple small round windows on each side wall, giving you the perfect view of the outside. I mean, what else do you need? The Decoliner gives you a very unique and out-of-this-world experience, right? Well, how about the following motorhome? 1983 Winnebago Lesharo. Up next on our list is the 1983 Winnebago Lesharo, which came in the market as one of the leaders of energy-efficient vehicles. The total length of this recreational vehicle is only 19 feet and 8 inches, which makes it a very compact choice for people who don't want big motorhomes. One of the main reasons why this motorhome is on our list is the front, which has a very inclined design, something that wasn't very common in motorhomes at that time. The cab area is also very uniquely yet weirdly thinner than the lounge area, which also adds to our point. On the rear of the motorhome, you also have the option to carry a generator to fulfill your vehicle's electricity needs if you want. If not, it can be used as a regular storage unit as well. Getting inside of this RV, you get the view of the living room, which includes a small yet efficient kitchen. In the area, you can actually fold the sink against the wall to make some extra space. It also has a very classy dinette setup with 2 sofas and a table alongside the large window. Fun fact is that you can just push down this table and make this area into your bedroom as well. The Lesharo also had a small yet functional bathroom, a mid-sized wardrobe, and 4 seats in the cab area, which was another interesting point. The first 2 were regular driver and passenger seats, just as they are in almost all the motorhomes out there. However, the rear 2 seats were much bigger seats, or sofas, if we have to be precise. When this unique or what you'd call weird motorhome was on the roads, people couldn't help but notice it. This is probably one of the strangest motorhomes ever built in history. At first glance, it looks pretty much like a snail because of the tiny front cab area and the large shell on top of it. Built on the 1968 VW Beetle, the Super Bugger has all the original chassis features, including the 1.6-liter flat 4-cylinder engine that offers 48 horsepower. By the way, its engine is on its rear, something that you don't get to see nowadays. However, the Beetle was cut right off at the windshield, and then this masterpiece was created that has some similarities with the 80s and 90s motorhomes built on the Ford F-350 chassis. But still, it feels so different. At the very front of this crazy camper van, you get a large storage cabinet in which you can store spare tires, folding tables, or your clothes as well. But this is not just a showpiece that's there to present only. Getting inside the vehicle, you get all the classic motorhome features. And the kitchen is probably the most exciting one. So, you get a very nice dinette set with 2 sofas, and a table in the middle. However, just beside the table is the kitchen, and in order to use that, you have to fold down the table first. The table also turns into a bed. Speaking of the kitchen, it has got a 2-burner cooktop, a nice sink with a faucet, and multiple storage cabinets to store your necessary items. There is also a pull-out bed inside this small little camper van that can be used by pushing down the table. It's just weirdly amazing. So, which of these motorhomes would excite you the most if you had the chance to be inside? If you enjoyed watching this video, you'd also love these amazing DIY motorhomes that are unique of their own. Click on it, and we'll see you soon at a new luxury motorhome.